really popular question I get is, what should I be investing in? The answer is the stock market, something like VFE, which follows the largest 500 companies in the US. This is the growth since 2013. And if we look on the left side here, we can see the average annualized return over the last 10 years, just under 14%. So if we were to plug this into our future value calculator, you go to calculatorsoup.com. And let's say we're starting with $0, and let's say we're going to be investing for 25 years. So if we're 20 years old, that'd be till we're 45 years old. We're going to take a 9% return rate, even though the S&P 500 is showing a 14% for the last 10 years. The last 100 years is closer to 9%, so just to be conservative, we're going to use 9%, compounding once per year. And this is where the fun comes in. You get to play around with how much you're going to be investing. So let's just say we're going to be investing $50 every single week. So that's $50 that we're investing 52 times per year for 25 years. If we go ahead and calculate that, we'd be left over with, in 25 years' time, $229,000. Now, what if we were able to increase this to, say, $100 a week? Then we would be closer to $460,000. So as you can see, the more you're able to invest right now will significantly increase the amount of money that you'll have over time. Also, if we increase the amount of time that we're investing for to 35 years, for example, at $100 a week, we'd have $1,170,000. So you can go to this calculator, play around with different numbers here. If you only wanted to be working and investing for 20 years, but if you were able to save something like $500 a week, let's say, then you'd be able to achieve $1.3 million in a 20-year timeline. So all these different factors are in your control, and you can kind of play around with how much you're able to invest over what period of time. But hope that gives you some insight. If you want to figure out exactly how to get started investing and how to even make the first step, check out the link in my bio.